What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're gonna be hopefully getting Integra back on the road. Shout out to the homie Kevin over at JBtuned. I know you guys feel about representing eBay companies. Y'all can
goodbye,
because they sponsored and put some paper in my pocket. That's all we, bruh. And to clarify on a couple of things, of course, this entire build, turbo build, anything that's on my car is all like legit authentic parts. But when the opportunity came to bless my wallet and offer a turbo, I took it. Yeah, damn skippy. You would have did the same thing. Imagine building your turbo setup or your all-motor setup or whatever the case may be, and the company's like, hey, we want to pay you and give you the product. What you gonna do? Say no? Exactly. But in today's video, we got a brand new cartridge in from Kevin over at JBtuned Racing, and oh, look at that. There's oil all inside this thing, so we're gonna clean this up, brake clean it, make sure that's nice and pertified, and then swap the return over to the new cartridge. And also, I might end up using the black one, or he sent me another one that's actually embossed with his company name. I'm gonna keep my black one for now till I get it repowder coated, and I gotta tap it for boost and whatnot. But so here's my brand new cartridge right here. Alright, so we got the Sidewinder back on, turbo, well, yeah, turbo's on, exhaust is on, everything is good aside from this. Well, obviously this right here is a change of valve cover, it's my old one, but no need to fret. I'm waiting on my yellow one to get done. I'm going back to the OG yellow, but no, when I do get my tire letters, they're not gonna be yellow, they're gonna be white. Just wanted to go back to the yellow. The yellow makes the green pop in the engine bay, bro. Like, it just looks so much good with the yellow. So if you guys recall in my last video, I was talking about how I wanted to vent the bonnet, well not bonnet, but the bumper. And look what I got in the mail today. So this is, if you can tell what this goes to. Any guesses? Any guesses? Ding 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 ding, 350Z, my boy. So what I gotta do is drill a hole. I'm gonna drill a big hole, but I think it's gonna go something like this. It actually follows the curvature of the bumper itself, so it should look pretty good. It should give us some nice airflow. My thing is, I feel like I'm gonna have to end up cutting this, like cutting it straight down the middle to make it wider so it has more airflow. But I think on a highway, having cool air just go right into there should be fine. It don't have to be that big of an opening out, I wouldn't expect. But yeah, it'll go something probably like this. But it's that nice carbon fiber too. Not bad, bro, not bad. So it is the next day. I got the front bumper off along with the lip, and what I'm gonna do now, well, previously what I had on, if you don't know, this is kind of rare for me to have just a splitter on and without the front lip and the bumper, because it was all one piece. I had drilled carriage bolts inside the splitter, as well as the it was like this basically. It attaches to the splitter, attaches to the lip, and now I'm like screwing that because I was supposed to have like one here, there, but I'm just gonna have three because I don't have any more of these, and I don't know where I can get these at. But anywho, I'm sure that had no type of significance to what I don't know, I'm sorry. So what we're finna get into is the mocking up and installing of the template, not template, but the where did it go? I don't even see, where did it go? The air duct. I don't even see where the hell I put it. Well, maybe not. All right, so I got the bumper back on. This is what we're gonna do, bro. This is how we're gonna attack this John right here. So I have the air duct, right? I never done this before, so if I fuck up my OEM bumper, it's okay because it's clapped anyway, but I mean, it's clapped. And I got one in the garage in the back, well, the shed in the back, so it's okay. I think right here would be exceptional. So what I'm gonna do is basically outline that and then cut and then go from there.
Seen a lot of, but that don't mean I had to follow it. We in a different caliber, these
just some scavengers feeling.
This is why you wear protective eyewear. All that burnt plastic would have went right to my face and eyes. That's why you gotta strap up, you feel me? Bro, that is the most clapped hole ever. Like, it's so uneven, but it's for a perfect reason, because this is so uneven. But bro, for being like 35 bucks on eBay, I mean Amazon, this is legit. I mean, it's not bad. So what I have to do right now is just cut a little bit more. As you guys can see, like, get it going there. Just gotta trim it up a little bit on this side, like bring this down a little bit more, and then extend this out a little bit, and then we'll be money. We gonna be money, baby. So let's get that done, playboy.
Burn, turn, flip like a snitch. When I spit words, quick I spit the vicious shit. Then I dip swerve, driving to a lane less infested with lames, and I cess burning. Who you saying the best? I'm playing chess learned. Y'all was playing checkers, Papa Sans in my beside. I was off the rock and nothing changed, cause I'm still on 1 to a million.
Before I show you guys this, I think I made a mistake. Dun 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 dun. It's not fully in there yet, depending on how I want it to look. Like I want it to flow with the body line of the headlight. Yeah, I gotta do more cutting on this side to make it flat, but this is how it looks. I don't know, man. I'm not feeling it, but I already cut a hole there, so I have no choice but to run it. But yeah, I wish Integris came with a damn grill up front, so you can actually freaking vent the damn radiator. But yeah, I mean, I don't like it. I think it looks kind of stupid, but I have no choice but to, well, I mean, I can put on my other bumper, but it's not painted. I have to get it painted. But I mean, either or, I can just cut this nicely, cut this nice, and then, I don't know, have an opening, but that looks tacky. And I'm just gonna have to run it like this. I mean, what do you guys think? Trash? Ricey? I think it looks stupid. I mean, it looks too bulky for the bumper. I'm not a fan. I'm not a sometimes it's goddamn function over form, right? So I guess that's going to wrap it up for today's project. Well, this video's project. We got the 350Z air duct installed. I'm not a fan that it keeps bulging out from the sides, and I do not want to put screws in it. I guess I'm supposed to like drill 4 holes and then put screws in it, but I think me putting screws in it might look trash, but if I put silver screws, like some downstar drip, that might look cool. But I mean, I guess it looks kind of cool on camera. I don't know. I think I just ruined my OEM bumper, but it was already clapped, so it is what it is. I get a new one, get it painted, and figure out a way to actually duct the, have clean airflow going to the radiator, other than, well, spending $1,200 on a vented bonnet. But at least in this video, we got a turbo on. I get my new valve cover either tomorrow or Saturday, so in order for me to start this thing up and see what it does, I need to have my fresh valve cover on. And yeah, we'll take it on the highway, see what temps we get into. There's literally no like proper air escape through here with the turbo there and the radiator. And I do have a spall fan. People are like, yo, throw a spall fan. Bro, I have like one of the highest rated spall fans you can get that are clear. Like, I think it shoots out like 1600 CFM, and that's a lot, dude. Like, that fan is the truth, but there's no way for the air. It's creating an air pocket, like a hot ass air pocket. So vented bonnet, that vented should be money. But I don't know, if I can find like a cooler one, I guess when I get my new bumper, I'll see what I can do. But for now, this is it. You guys let me know what you think. I don't know, man. I feel like I don't know, like I just think it might be just a little too big, you know? I'm not too sure. You guys let me know what you think though.